Kenyan authorities were wrong to ban the gay community from registering a rights organization, the country's Supreme Court has ruled. Yet at the same time it stressed that gay sex remains illegal. The judges ruled 3-2 that the country's NGO board was wrong to stop the National Gay and Lesbian Human Rights Commission (NGLHRC) from registering in 2013. As Kenya's highest court, the Supreme Court's ruling cannot be overturned. In their judgment, the judges ruled that it would be unconstitutional to limit the right to associate, through denial of registration of an association, purely on the basis of the sexual orientation of the applicants. Nevertheless, the ruling is bittersweet for Kenya's gay community. Laws which were introduced under British colonial rule mean that it is criminal to have sex that is against the order of nature, which can result in up to 14 years in prison. In May 2019, Kenya's High Court rejected an attempt to overturn these laws. Friday's judgment ends a 10-year legal battle which began in 2013 when Eric Gitari, the former executive director of the NGLHRC, challenged the head of Kenya NGO Coordination Board's refusal to permit him to apply to register an NGO under a name containing the words gay or lesbian. The judges ruled in his favor at the High Court in 2015, again at the Court of Appeal in 2019 and finally in 2023. Speaking after the ruling, Njeri Gataru, the current executive director of the NGLHRC, said, "The Supreme Court's decision to uphold the lower court's rulings is a triumph for justice and human rights. At a time where the Kenyan LGBTIQ+ community is decrying the increased targeting and violence, this decision affirms the spirit and intention of the Constitution to protect all Kenyans and guarantee their rights. The ruling comes at a time when homophobic rhetoric has been rising in Kenya. Members of the LGBTQI+ community have been harassed by police, subjected to body examinations to prove gay sex, and openly insulted on social media and in public spaces. Some say they have even been denied healthcare and thrown out of rental houses for being gay." On the day of the judgment, Member of Parliament George Peter Kaluma filed an official notice that he intended to introduce a bill which would jail for life people convicted of homosexuality or the promotion of it.